about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Since 1989, Miaoli has been hosting the annual Bang Long, or the Bombing the Dragon celebration during the Lantern Festival, and it's been literally exploding in popularity. During the traditional dragon dance, firecrackers are set off, and the fiery display and terrifying dragon are used to scare off evil spirits and bless the surrounding area. The celebration has become one of the 12 major Hakka festivals, and today there are tons of activities including the dragon dance competition and folk parades. And this year, they've added something new, a short film competition.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on Icrt.
各位聽眾朋友大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
我想要這樣講，各位聽眾朋友，我係 Joseph Ling。Hey Leo, this month is Chinese New Year。其實這個月呢是喜氣洋洋的一個月啊，因為是農曆新年的時候啦。
過年都誒。
什麼東西？公羊？
過年。
過年，對。
對，過年。
過年 that means crossing over to a new year. So there's gotta be a lot of festivities in the Hakka culture. 一定有很多節慶啊、活動啊，就在這個時候，客家人會來舉辦的。
有一個活動哈，就是在元宵節的時候，在苗栗我的故鄉啊，會有一個棒龍的活動。
I remember， 我一直沒有機會去看這個叫做棒龍，對不對？
對，棒龍就是棒龍。
So this is a very important festival for the Hakka culture. I actually know about it, and it literally means exploding the dragon.
而且哈，在民間的習俗來說，我們用那個紙炮就是鞭炮哈，紙炮去炸那個龍啊，你越炸得越多，就表示你的把那個霉運啊炸掉啊，然後隔年呢就會帶來更好的運氣。
That's right. The reason it's called an exploding dragon is because people use firecrackers and they throw the firecrackers at this dancing dragon. And the more explosion that occurs, that means you're chasing all the bad luck away. So the more explosion, the more luck that's going to come to you in the following year. 你剛剛講鞭炮怎麼說 ？Firecracker.
紙炮誒。
紙炮誒 Okay, that's a firecracker. And then the exploding dragon, 棒龍。
棒龍。
棒龍，然後這個節慶大部分都在什麼時候會舉行？
就是在元宵節、長夜班，或者講年宵節。
長夜班 or 年宵節。Okay, that's the Lantern Festival. So if you get a chance, go to Miaoli to check this very exciting event out. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.